just so that
Day 2, good morning. Where are we going today?
Magic Kingdom.
I just say cut my hair.
Not very
What's your
good right
crotch
now.
like?
It's very cheap.
Okay, Avery, day 2. We're going to the Magic Kingdom. What are you excited about?
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenal.
Alright, and here we go. Space Mountain. Say hi, Avery.
Hi.
Say hi. Launch. Hi. There's Mom, there's Poppy. This is your captain signing off.
Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Bust it.
Greer, are you broken?
Hi, my name is Bob, and I approve this message.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 magic.
Give me your best pirate saying.
Arr, give me your rum.
Hi.
Give me your best pirate saying. Come on. Go survive.
Born on a mountaintop in Tennessee, green estate in the land of the free, raised in the woods so he knew every tree, killed him a farm when he was only 3. Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier, fought single-handed through the Injun War till the creeks was whipped and peace was in store. And while he was handling this risky chore, made himself a legend forever.
So I keep searching for an answer. I never seem to find what I'm looking for. Oh Lord, I pray you give me strength to carry on. 'Cause I know it means to walk along the lonely street of dreams. And here I go again on my own, going down the only road I've ever known. Like a drifter I was born to walk alone. And I've made up my mind
when we got
Okay,
last.
Poppy, say bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
I'm happier now that I'm not dealing with retardation.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
What's been your fave?
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain? What's been your favorite today?
Space Mountain.
Take that glance and then you'll be our guest. We our guest, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese soufflé, pie and pudding on flambé. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared.
It ain't no trick to get rich quick.
If you dig with a shovel or a pick in a mine, where a million diamonds shine. Hi-ho! 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 Hi-ho!
Okay, what are we on? So they closed the park Sunday and Monday because of Hurricane Irma. So now we're trying to figure out everybody's schedule. We got to get Mim and Poppy back home. We got to get Eliza home. We got to change our park schedules. We got to figure out what the heck we're going to do for 2 days in the room.
We're going to play charades, and we're going to play cards, and we're going to stuff our faces with donuts.
In the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room, all the birds sing word and the flowers croon. In the tiki 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 tiki.
Well, we're at the Haunted Mansion, and we've come here to kill time.
Okay, Haven, give me your creepiest saying.
Poppy didn't wash his hands.
Columbia Harbor House.
Yes, I did.
Shrimp mac and cheese. We've got a chicken pot pie. She's in heaven.
Why is it so bright?
How was your dinner?
It was yummy, yummy, yummy. And now we're going to Space Mountain.
Space Mountain.
And now we're going potty.
We used to hide from the light. We made friends with the night. We were headed the wrong way on a one-way track, going nowhere fast. We got you.
It started out as a feeling, which then grew into a hope, which then turned into a quiet thought, which then turned into a quiet word. And then that word grew louder and louder.
Okay, so how was the Magic Kingdom today?
So how was the Magic Kingdom today?
Wonderful.
You can stop now.
Hey, did you have fun today?
Just because everything's changing doesn't mean